In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize theme with skins and themes, but before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. Please open up your browser and go to themecustomizer.com. You can actually create and make your own custom theme skin by hitting create, but we're just going to go to explore. Here are all the skins, and once you find one you like, just simply click on it and go to download. Once the skin's downloaded, you're going to open up your file explorer and locate wherever you downloaded the skin. Double click on the skin. It will then restart your Steam, and once that's done, it will automatically apply to skin you just selected. If you downloaded multiple skins and you want to swap between them, just go to Steam in the top left and go to settings, click interface, go to where it says select the skin and hit the drop down menu. That's where you'll be able to switch between other skins you downloaded. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye!